Cabriolet Ford Mustang stood in the barn for over 30 years. After sitting in a barn in Indiana for over 30 years, this 1973 Ford Mustang Cabriolet is in need of a complete refurbishment. Thanks to its good completeness, the car can be a great project for rebuilding. The previous owner claimed to have driven it into the barn on his own. And interestingly, in addition to this one, there was another cabriolet in the barn, an early Mustang maybe, which was completely covered with a mixture of hay and mud. What makes this unit special? This 1973 Ford Mustang Cabriolet was delivered to the previous owner's shed about 30 years or more ago and has never been started since. There is dirt, dust and debris in the car, but the seats, dashboard and interior upholstery look good. But the top of the cabriolet has deteriorated and has a large hole. The body, of course, was not preserved in the most perfect condition and the rear fenders suffered the most. But parts for the Mustang can be bought in a new condition without any problems, so restoring the body shouldn't be a big deal. In 1973, fewer than 12,000 Ford Mustangs were built with a cabriolet body, and there are much fewer options with a 302 V8 and air conditioning. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.